Let your kids' summer break be exciting with this fun learning activity. Today, let's learn the rainbow colors. At kasama ko si Aji. Say hi, Aji!
Hi everyone!
I have a color matching rainbow craft, an easy and fun activity for your kids. Are you ready, Aji?
Ready!
Easy and fun summer learning activity. Just connect the dots with strips of colored papers. Kids can learn color matching, fine motor skills, and colors of the rainbow. Add some cotton wool to make the clouds. So, Aji, what are the colors of rainbow?
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet.
Yay! Good job, Aji! Dahil magaling ka, may reward kang Hansel Milk Sandwich! Yay! Hansely ever after. Ang Hansel Sandwich ay may delicious aroma na perfect for summer study time. Learning is fun, lalo na with Hansel. Hanselicious ang summer learning. Share nyo na rin, mommies, ang summer learning activities nyo with your kids.